Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to change the cursor on Windows 11. To change your mouse cursor on Windows 11, right-click on your Start menu and then go to Settings. Then go to the Accessibility tab and then go to Mouse Pointer and Touch. Here you'll be able to choose between different mouse cursors, and you can also select some other colors for your mouse cursor, and you can adjust the size of your mouse cursor. If you're looking for some additional options like you found in earlier versions of Windows, you can scroll down to Related Settings and then click on Mouse. And then you can scroll down until you find Additional Mouse Settings and then click on that. This will open the mouse properties like you found in earlier versions of Windows, and you can click on Pointers. Here under Scheme, you can click on this drop-down menu, and here you can choose some other cursors that come pre-installed with Windows. I'll just change it back to the Windows default, and then click on Apply and OK. I do hope this guide helped you out. Please like the video and go ahead and watch any of my other helpful guides on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.